In this video, you will find out about Eco Patrol, what they do, which goals they have, and how to become a superstar at your school. So, let's go! The Eco Patrol team consists of a big group of people. Firstly, there is a teacher who is a project coordinator at school. Also, there would be formed a group of students volunteers, about 10-15 students, who would become the school's superheroes. The main goals of the team are implementing a waste sorting system at school, project organization, creating a system of fines and prizes, and creating different educational events, like lectures and lessons for the students. You should remember that nothing works easily. For that situation, we've developed a methodical manual, School Recycling. So you would have a possibility to find out a bit more about the theory and have practical instructions about effective methods. The team works during 12 months, and then it could be chosen for the next year, or pass its achievements, experience and recommendations to the new team. When the team is ready, what should they start with? They form a wish list. What are they going to do, what are their tasks, and what do they want to buy from the money earned? When you have a list, you have a task. So, for instance, when the school needs a new projector, you do not need to collect the money. You can just collect the waste, because waste is a resource. So, the projector costs approximately $300. Let's count what the school can sort. Paper, plastic, glass, metal, whatever you can send for recycling. Having formed your list, you understand that, for example, for $300 you'll need 2 tons of paper, 1 ton of plastic, etc. Then comes the most interesting part. The school not only sorts its waste every day, but also earns money for its needs. What is more, you can attract the local community for your events. Having collected the needed waste, you send it for recycling, get your money, and buy the projector. In this way, we've done several great things at once. We've reduced the amount of landfills, we've become responsible customers, and we've renewed the technology base at our school. That's a small example you can start with. However, your wishes and dreams could be absolutely individual and depend only on you. Who is an Eco Patrol team member? He is a motivator and an example to follow. The Eco Patrol team, except for creating a calendar plan of events, training for a year, also controls and coordinates systematic sorting at school. Researches if everything is sorted correctly, if the plastic is pressed, and if the waste is clean. You can share your experience during the projects when students from different parts of the world would tell you how they formed an Eco Patrol team and implemented a waste sorting system at their school, what had worked, what was the most interesting, etc. So, send your application for all possible projects at a School Recycling. Monitor all the information on our website, schoolrecyclingworld.org. Subscribe to our pages in social media and keep in touch with us. The most interesting information, theory and practice you can share on your school page or on your personal one. Moreover, we understand that sorting at school leads to sorting at home as well. So, Eco Patrol works with a whole system that affects the sorting of all participants in the process and motivates them to make positive changes. The most important thing is to remember that, yes, during the projects, competitions, events, you can get cool prizes and gifts for you and your school. However, the biggest prize would be reducing the amount of waste on the landfills. So our waste will not just keep staying next to our cities and villages. The main thing is to approach it systematically and creatively and on a daily work, because the result depends on each of us.